In this video, we listed the 15 best space-saving finds for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Total Mount Hole-Free Remote Holder. The Total Mount Hole-Free Remote Holder is a practical and convenient solution for organizing your remotes without damaging your walls. This premium black holder is designed to accommodate 3 or 4 remotes, making it an ideal choice for maintaining a clutter-free living space. With its hole-free installation system, it eliminates the need for drilling, ensuring an easy setup while preserving your wall's integrity. The holder is constructed with a sleek, modern design that blends seamlessly with any home decor. Its secure adhesive mounting ensures stability, keeping your remotes within reach yet neatly stored. This product is particularly useful for households with multiple entertainment devices, allowing you to centralize remote storage and reduce the risk of losing them. Product 2. Product name, Vegan Adhesive Shower Caddy. The Vegan Adhesive Shower Caddy is a versatile and space-efficient bathroom organization solution designed to elevate both functionality and style in your home. This 6-pack set includes rust-proof, large-capacity shelves crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and resistance to moisture, making it ideal for bathroom environments. Key features. Adhesive installation. No drilling is required, offering an easy, wall-mounted solution that protects your walls from damage while providing strong and secure storage. Ample storage. The set includes various racks with plenty of room for shower essentials, such as shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and toiletries, along with a dedicated soap holder for added convenience. Rust-proof design. Built with materials that resist rust and corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting, sleek black finish that complements modern bathroom decor. Product 3. Product name, VTOP Epmart 3-Tier Clear Makeup Organizer. The VTOP Epmart 3-Tier Clear Makeup Organizer is an elegant and practical solution for organizing your beauty essentials. Designed for use on dresser countertops and bathroom vanities, this clear organizer is made to help streamline your daily routine while maintaining a neat and stylish space. Its 3-tier structure includes multiple drawers and compartments, offering ample storage for a variety of items like lipsticks, brushes, skincare products, and other cosmetics. The clear acrylic design not only allows for easy visibility of your products but also adds a modern and sleek touch to your vanity or bathroom. Its compact yet spacious design ensures it fits well in smaller spaces while maximizing storage capacity. The organizer is built to be sturdy, water-resistant, and easy to clean, making it a long-lasting addition to your beauty setup. Product 4. Product name, Vacuum Storage Bags. The 24-pack vacuum storage bags with electric pump is a practical solution for optimizing storage space, particularly for households managing seasonal clothes, bedding, and travel packing needs. This set includes a variety of bag sizes: 5 jumbo, 5 large, 5 medium, 5 small, and 4 roll-up bags, catering to different storage requirements. Designed to compress bulky items like mattresses, blankets, duvets, pillows, and comforters, these bags significantly reduce the volume of stored items, making them ideal for space saving in closets, under beds, or during travel. Key features. Versatile size options. The assortment of bag sizes allows users to store a wide range of items, from smaller clothing pieces to large bedding essentials. Electric pump. The included electric pump provides quick and effortless compression, saving time compared to manual pumps. This feature is especially useful for travelers or busy households. Space efficiency. By compressing the air out of items, these bags can reduce storage volume by up to 80%, maximizing available storage areas. Product 5. Product name, SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer. The SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer is an all-in-one solution designed to bring organization and accessibility to your kitchen spices. It combines functionality and style, making it a practical addition to any modern kitchen setup. Here's an in-depth look at its features and benefits. Comprehensive set. The organizer includes 28 spice jars with matching airtight lids to keep your spices fresh. Along with these, it provides 386 pre-printed and blank spice labels, a chalk marker, and a funnel set, ensuring a seamless, clutter-free arrangement. Versatile design, measuring 13.4 inch wide and 10.8 high, the rack is compact yet spacious, suitable for installation in various spaces such as cabinets, countertops, pantries, cupboards, or even doors and walls. Its adaptability makes it ideal for small and large kitchens alike. Stylish and durable, available in sleek black, this spice rack organizer adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor while ensuring long-lasting durability. Product 6. Product name Rubbermaid Cleverstore. The Rubbermaid Cleverstore 95-quart clear stackable large plastic storage containers with lids are a practical solution for both home and office organization. Designed for efficiency and durability, these containers feature a transparent design that allows easy visibility of stored items, making them ideal for decluttering and organizing spaces. Each container has a 95-quart capacity, providing ample room for storing various items such as seasonal decorations, office supplies, clothes, or tools. Key features include durable, shatter-free plastic construction, which ensures long-lasting use, and secure-fit lids that keep contents protected from dust and moisture. The stackable design allows for efficient use of space, whether in closets, garages, or storage units. This 4-pack set offers a versatile and scalable storage solution for various organizational needs. Product 7. Product name Simple Houseware Standing Coat. The Simple Houseware Standing Coat and Hat Hanger Organizer Rack, bronze is an elegantly designed and highly functional piece for home organization. Its sturdy bronze-finished frame provides both durability and a stylish aesthetic, making it an excellent addition to entryways, living rooms, or bedrooms. This standing coat rack features multiple hooks arranged at varying heights, allowing it to accommodate coats, hats, scarves, and bags with ease. Its freestanding design ensures versatility, as it can be conveniently placed anywhere without requiring wall mounting. The compact and space-saving structure of this rack is ideal for keeping your space tidy while adding a touch of classic sophistication to your decor. The durable construction and stable base ensure it remains secure even when fully loaded with items. Product 8. Product name Pantry Kitchen Storage Containers. Pantry kitchen storage containers are essential tools for maintaining an organized and functional kitchen. They serve a variety of purposes, including preserving food freshness, optimizing storage space, and ensuring easy access to pantry staples. The JoyJolt Joyful 24 PC Pantry Kitchen Storage Container Set is an excellent example of such products, offering versatility and practicality for modern households. Features of JoyJolt Joyful 24 PC Storage Containers. Durable glass construction. The containers are made from high-quality glass, ensuring durability and resistance to temperature changes. This makes them suitable for both freezer storage and meal preparation. Airtight lids for freshness. Each container is paired with a secure, airtight lid that helps keep food fresh for longer, protecting it from moisture and contamination. Variety of sizes. The set includes 12 containers in different sizes, allowing users to store a wide range of pantry items, from spices and snacks to bulk goods like flour and sugar. Product 9. Product name Topper Foldable Sink Cover. The Topper Foldable Sink Cover is a versatile and practical bathroom accessory designed to optimize your sink space and enhance organization. This innovative sink topper, crafted from durable silicone, serves multiple functions, making it a must-have for any bathroom. Key features. Space-saving design. The foldable structure transforms your sink into a functional workspace, providing extra space for organizing toiletries or beauty tools. Beauty Tool Organizer. Its surface is ideal for placing hot tools like curling irons and straighteners, offering heat resistance to protect your countertop. Brush Cleaning Mat. The silicone material features textures that double as a cleaning mat for makeup brushes, making it a practical tool for beauty enthusiasts. Compact and standard fit. Designed to fit standard-sized sinks, it folds for easy storage when not in use, ensuring a clutter-free environment. Product 10. Product name Pull-Out Spice Rack Organizer. The LYNK Professional Pull-Out Spice Rack Organizer is a versatile and space-saving solution designed to optimize spice storage in kitchen cabinets. With a sleek 4 to 1/4 inch width, this 2-tier chrome sliding organizer is crafted for easy access and efficient organization, even in compact spaces. Key features: smooth slide-out drawer. The rack is equipped with a commercial-grade ball-bearing glide system, ensuring effortless and quiet operation even under full load. 2-tier design maximizes vertical storage space, accommodating a wide variety of spice jars, bottles, and containers. Durable chrome finish offers a polished, modern look while providing long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. Universal fit, designed to fit most standard kitchen cabinets, making it an ideal choice for upgrading existing setups without significant modifications. Product 11. Product name: Dish Drying Rack and Sink. A dish drying rack and sink is a practical and space-saving solution for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchenware. Designed to fit inside the sink, this expandable stainless steel dish drainer keeps your kitchen counter organized and free from clutter. The rack is often equipped with multiple compartments, including a dedicated space for utensils, a colander for draining excess water, and ample room for plates, cups, and bowls. Its durable, rust-resistant stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while the sleek silver finish complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Perfect for maximizing space in smaller kitchens, it allows for efficient drying while keeping everything in place. Whether you're looking to optimize your kitchen organization or simply need a reliable drying solution, this dish drying rack makes drying and storing kitchenware easier and more convenient. Product 12. Product name: Bathroom Towel Storage Rack. A bathroom towel storage rack is a practical and stylish solution for organizing towels in your bathroom. This particular wall-mounted model, measuring 30 inches in width, is designed to hold up to 6 large towels. It features a sleek black finish that complements a variety of bathroom aesthetics while maximizing space efficiency. The integrated shelf allows for additional storage, making it ideal for neatly stacking and organizing rolled towels, toiletries, or other bathroom essentials. This towel rack is a great choice for those seeking to declutter their bathroom and keep their towels within easy reach, all while enhancing the room's overall appearance. Its wall-mounted design saves valuable floor space and offers a durable, long-lasting option for your bathroom storage needs. Product 13. Product name: Electric Composter for Kitchen. The electric composter for kitchen is an innovative and efficient solution for managing food waste in the kitchen. This 4L Smart Countertop Compost Bin is designed to turn food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer within just 3 hours, making it a convenient option for eco-conscious individuals. It operates odorlessly and with low noise, ensuring it doesn't disrupt your kitchen environment. One of the standout features of this composter is its auto-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and keeps the unit hygienic with minimal effort. This countertop compost machine is perfect for small spaces, as its compact design makes it suitable for indoor use without taking up too much room. Product 14. Product name: Spice Rack Organizer. The Spice Rack Organizer for Cabinet is a practical and space-efficient solution designed to help you organize your kitchen seasonings. Featuring a slide and rotate mechanism, this organizer allows for easy access to all your spices without clutter. It includes 3 snap-in adjustable shelves, providing customizable storage space for different sizes of spice containers. The magnetic modular design enhances its versatility, allowing you to expand or reconfigure the unit according to your needs. Measuring 8.9 inch x 6.1 w x 10.8 d, this spice rack fits comfortably in most cabinets, making it an ideal choice for users looking to optimize their kitchen storage, especially for those who enjoy baking, cooking, or using a variety of spices in meal preparations.